Okay, so a while back we made some chopsticks, and these were a little bit too long, so I took a couple inches off them on the bandsaw. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take these and we're going to make a nice little case for them. So I'm going to get a piece of maple and we're gonna try to make a nice little holder for these bad boys. All right, so my plan of attack is to take this router bit and I'm going to cut a groove along both sides of this piece of maple so that I can take these chopsticks and have them inset nicely. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these rare earth magnets and I'm going to inset them on both sides. And then this is going to get cut down so it has a lid and a bottom piece, and then it's going to hold together with magnets. So let's hope this all goes well. We had a slight hiccup with the other half of this piece, so we're going to change it up and we're going to use some walnut. Okay, so we got two matching pieces of maple and walnut. So these are going to join together and create our case for our chopsticks. Starting to come together. My nice chopstick holder. So these slide nicely into those grooves. Pretty nice fit in there. And then using some rare earth magnets like this, it holds itself together so that it has a nice snug fit, and the magnets do a good job of holding it together, and it's come along quite nicely.